This is Craig at Countryside RV in Colfax, Iowa, csrvsales.com, and we are going to do a quick video walk around on a 2018 Primetime Manufacturing Tracer Breeze 25 RBS travel trailer. The 25 RBS is a rear bath with one slide. The slide is a U-dinette, and it has an outside kitchen and a private queen bedroom. Come around here and you can see gas grill, mini fridge, some storage, water heater, back of the refrigerator, furnace, power awning, and there is an LED light strip under that awning. Come up inside. There's a jackknife sofa, U-dinette, and that U-dinette will collapse and sleep two people. TV area. Unit does come with a television, although we don't store them in the units while they're on display. You've got some pretty deep pantry, 6 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator, stove and oven, deep sink, coming back here to the bathroom. That wall, of course, on the other side of it is your exterior kitchen. And you've got a very deep storage area here in the bathroom. Plus, come around, here's your toilet. This is a really big bathroom for a camper this size. Corner shower, sink. All right, come back up front. Queen bed with space to walk around on all 3 sides, plus hanging storage and outlets. I apologize for the shaky camera work. All right, so again, this was a 2018 Primetime Manufacturing Tracer 25 RBS, and it is available at Countryside RV in Colfax, Iowa. We're online at csrvsales.com. Thanks for watching.